Statement from DAWN News Dictation number 16 being recorded at the rate of 80 WPM. Start. Interior Minister Mohsen Naqvi on Saturday said four facilitators behind Friday's suicide bombing at an Imambarga in Islamabad, including the mastermind, had been arrested during overnight raids in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, as the militant Islamic State group claimed responsibility for the attack and the death toll rose to 36. Addressing a news conference at Safe City, Islamabad, the minister said the entire country remained in shock after the incident, adding that multiple agencies launched investigations immediately after the blast and carried out coordinated operations through the night. He praised law enforcement agencies and the KP Counter-Terrorism Department, saying all individuals linked to the attack were arrested before dawn following raids in Peshawar and Nowshera. Mr. Naqvi claimed the mastermind was an Afghan national affiliated with Daesh who had received training in Afghanistan, adding that his travel history confirmed this. A KP police assistant sub-inspector was martyred during the raids, while several personnel were injured. He said the terrorist network involved in the attack had been dismantled and claimed that at least 21 terrorist organizations were operating from Afghanistan, alleging that mercenaries shifted allegiances based on funding and accusing India of providing financial support and targets. He also criticized propaganda narratives, stating that the Balochistan Liberation Army was a terrorist outfit whose material was amplified by Indian media. The minister said Islamabad's security system would be upgraded, noting that the bomber had conducted reconnaissance before the attack, and raised concerns over extremist content on social media platforms. He added that security at entry points to the capital and the red zone would be further strengthened, and that an evaluation of Islamabad police personnel was underway. Meanwhile, investigators traced the bomber through Nadra records, and subsequent raids led to further arrests, including Afghan nationals and a suspect in Karachi who acted as a communication link, while funerals were held in Islamabad amid tightened security across the capital.